it's Raquel Bowman here, and I'm really excited to share with you a brand new scrapbooking kit from Altenew. This kit is called Live Your Dream, and it contains so much fun stuff. Some die cut embellishments, some epoxy buttons, some clear stickers, heaps of papers, puffy stickers and chipboard stickers. So I wanted to go through what you get in this kit with you today. So I thought that I would start with some of the embellishments. So these are the chipboard stickers. Now it's two 6x12 sheets, so in total a 12x12 sheet of chipboard. What I love is that the actual chipboard sheets are not too thick. I get a little bit scared by really thick chipboard. I just find that it adds a bit too much bulk on my pages and I can't make it work, whereas you can see that this is only maybe a couple of millimeters at the most sort of thick. It's a really nice sort of weight of chipboard. I'm adoring that floral, and I feel like that's one of the first things I want to use. I love these watercolor. So this kit's a really bright, vibrant kit. It has definitely lots of watercolor inspired looking icons, whether it's leaves or hearts or these splodges that you see here. Even the florals are very watercolor in design. There's gorgeous banners, which I always gravitate towards banners and tabs and flags and all those bits and pieces. There's a cute little bunting down here, some potted plants, some hearts. Just a really nice kit. Even these large statement titles, love this life, hooray, memories, would make great titles and feature titles for your pages. So that is the chipboard stickers. There's 35 pieces. The next item that I'll share in this kit is another like 12x12 sheet, I guess, in total. These are the clear stickers. There's 31 of them in total, and they are like a watercolor floral-y leafy design. They are very pretty. I can imagine how vibrant these would be against a white background, which, you know, I love my white, so that's already, you know, it's got me hooked in already. So they are by clear stickers. It means that they're a transparent sticker, so you can see my finger completely behind that sticker there. If I was to stick that on white, the part that is going to show obviously is the coloured design. So they're just a really nice nice clear sticker to add that something to your pages. I love using clear stickers to layer underneath die cut embellishments because they give that multi-dimensional look, because these will stick flat against your background and then you have your ephemera or whatever it might be layered up on foam adhesive. So that is the clear stickers in the Live Your Dream kit. Next I'll show you the alphas. These are, again, so these are all in the same size packaging, which makes it good for storage as well, as we always think about that as crafters. These are puffy alpha stickers. There's 220 in total. What I love about these is that there are your uppercase and lowercase. They're a really funky script font. They're a versatile color, being black, that you can use them wherever. I like that the smaller letters are a good size. So I'll tell you approximately the capitals are around an inch, and then the smaller ones are probably just short of half an inch, or if I'm being a little bit, if I'm rounding, I'd say about half an inch in size. So they are the alpha stickers. There's a heap there. There are some numbers too, which is always a good little extra that we like to use. These next ones are one of my faves. I love wood buttons. I love the design of them. These all have a foam on the back. I'm not a bulk person. I do love the wood buttons, but I would tend to peel off that foam piece, and it's super easy to peel off, and I'll just show you an example of how quick. So that if you don't want that extra, you know, few millimeters of dimension, you can easily, whoops, you can easily peel that off. So I'll give you a look at the design of them. So these designs on these epoxy buttons are either icons that you can find in the kit, or they're from the pattern papers. Possibly even some of the ephemera pieces would be some of these designs as well. How cute are they? Look at this floral. Loving it. So these are the wood buttons, and there is 20 of them. My fave, and I always leave it till last before the pattern paper, is ephemera. And I just find that with ephemera you can design a whole page. You can be inspired by something in the ephemera pack, and then you get creating from there. So these are the die cut embellishments. There's 32 of them in total. They are a really good card quality. So normally ephemera is quite flimsy. This isn't one that I feel like if you had a floral, which I can't find a floral in here, but if there was a floral, some ephemera I will, you know, bend up the leaf design or the edges of the flowers to add extra dimension. I feel like you do that with this ephemera and you would crease it because it is a really great quality card. So sturdy. I think it'd be awesome for card making because of the quality of the ephemera. But I'm just going to show you the designs, and I think already I want to create a bit of a lovey-dovey page because those hearts are just adorable. This was fun, tasty stuff. That's an interesting one. Hooray, colourful memories. So you get the vibe of the whole kit. It's a vibrant, fun, bright, designed kit. Party girl, celebrate every day. There's a heap of these flags, so I'll just pop those to the side. All different colours. Got some statement pieces. Celebrate, dance like nobody's watching. Remember that day. You are so special. Never stop smiling. Another perfect day, another flag piece, happy faces, another flag piece, cherish, we've got our bunting similar to what was in the chipboard, those circle splodgy designs, life of the party, and fun day. So that's the ephemera that you can use. And again, as I said, they're a really good quality, strong, very sturdy. Don't think it says anything about the quality of the paper on the packaging, but it is a card. It's not a paper. I hope that makes sense, because I don't know if I'm talking Australian with how I'm saying or trying to describe it. So here is the Live Your Dream 12 by 12 paper set. There are 16 unique designs, 12 by 12 papers, 80-pound cardstock. Oh, I can't wait to see. So this is my first time looking at this kit as I'm revealing it to you. The pattern paper is quite a shiny feel paper. It's very smooth. It's not like your cover paper that, or what do you call it in America or any other place? You call it something else. The paper that you put through your printer or photocopier. It's not that style of paper. So it's a really thick quality card. It's got a bit of a sheen to it, but let's look at the designs. I'll stop talking about how it feels. We have a painted look rainbow striped background. I like this sort of deepness of this in what colour? Deep navy. I was going to say indigo, but I don't think that's right. And then this watercolour look background. What I love is that I've been working with Altenew kits for quite a while now, doing guest designs, and I've found that I've always been able to either create a different look or grab there's so much versatility in the papers and so many designs in one of these kits. Now this I'm using. This will feature on my first page because this floral is absolutely stunning. So I think it's my fave, and I haven't even looked through the rest yet. Oh, and this is nice too. See, this is the problem when you have a kit where you love what's on one side, but I think I have good news, and there's two of each, so you don't have to choose, but we'll see. So this is a gorgeous floral. I'm putting it to the other side because I'm going to use it very, very shortly. This is a painted look, messy striped crosshatch background, and a really nice gradient piece. Then we have, so I haven't been able to name any of these papers. I don't have branding strips on them, so I apologise with my descriptions. They're probably not the best, but I will just keep going. So these are some leaves, and then this is just, it looks like you've got a paintbrush and just added these little mark making all over it. And that dark navy indigo colour really adds a intensity to some of the designs. Ooh, I spot a different floral. So this one has that same floral, but they've positioned it so it's going around the edge. That is stunning. And I could imagine, I have transferred to 8.5 by 11 pages, but if I was doing a 12 by 12, I could imagine using this as a background. This white background is white. It's not cream, it's white. So I'm in love with it already, because I find a lot of pattern papers, the background of a pattern design has a cream base to it, and it's not my fave. So I'm loving that these are white. You can see against my backdrop of my videos that this is white. Oh, I have this really nice watercolor look background. Very intense, but so nice. How awesome does that look? Wow. Okay, another design. So this has a different sort of color palette as well. So this is more, I don't know what you call it. It doesn't have the bright colors within it. Very cool. And then another really nice watercolor look background. Those of you afraid of mixed media like me and getting messy, these would be perfect, I think. A bit of a brick look background with all of those intense colors in this kit, and then a quite subtle and soft, it's like a dot. It's a bit of a cream base with a lime colored dot all over it. Oh, this one's pretty. Another floral, but it's a softer floral, so it's got my heart already. Soft pink flower, these intense blue leaves, it's very nice. And then we have a deeper, darker floral design on the back. And then we're repeating. So that is awesome. Here is a quick look at the papers overall, spread out from this kit. So here's one side, and then I will show you the other side. Look at all that colour. So this kit is called Live Your Dream. Our blog hop is happening probably right now, because I'm going to be posting this as part of the blog hop. So make sure that you check out the Altenew blog to join in with the blog hop for a chance to win some amazing prizes, as well as checking out each blog hop contributors blog, because you get a chance to win gift certificates on each of those blogs, which is amazing and super generous of Altenew. So yes, make sure you hop along to my blog. I'll leave the links below, and I will also have, as part of my blog hop share, a layout which you can see on my blog. So pop on over and check it out, leave me a comment, and you'll get a chance to win an awesome prize and then be able to purchase this amazing kit. Bye everyone.